Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. You know when you get something for a particular situation and then you realize it's going to help you in tons of situations in your life? That's how I feel about this kitchen scale by TRUDIN. I got it for bread because I wanted something to accurately measure my flour, but I have been using this on so many recipes. Not only do I get a better, more accurate measurement of my ingredients, but it makes a ton less mess for me to have to clean up. Who wants to clean up after baking? So, how this works, you put your bowl on the scale and then you hit the tare button, which zeroes it out. You add your first ingredient to the correct measurement, tare it out, and you just go through all of your ingredients. So you have no measuring cups. You can just do each ingredient. And at the end, once I made some bread, this is the only mess I had to clean up because there wasn't all this dumping from each container, each measuring cup. Some other great features: it is thin, it's rechargeable or it runs on batteries. It was big enough to hold all the different sizes of bowls that I used, and it covers all different kinds of measurements. So, ounces, fluid ounces, grams, kilograms, milliliters, whatever you need, it's there. I think everyone needs one of these little scales in their kitchen. And that's my point of view.